The next performer to the stage is a prince with a royal voice. Multi-talented he is, and he has also been consistent. So keep your applause just as consistent for Vanzo.
Well, I know, me love for you and move your body. Make me a study you like a geography. I know boo fi jagati, me figati. Well, I know, tell me how you feel when me look in your eyes. Them two and you want rub down your thighs. Love how you look when you're there in your thighs. Full of shape, you're not straight like KFC fries. Tell me love your bad, and me tell you from the start. Me tell you you are the beat of my heart. Well, I know, when you calm down, no man, I'm telling you something. Oh, hi. She said, okay. When me start, how long you want me go? She love me so, say she want come tomorrow. She knows say you're Vanzo, but she just a change up my name so. I did she call me last night when me round so. Miss Kitty, go on TikTok, tell a girl you know tough like a chicken back. And me if you have the key for your padlock, put it on Instagram, put it on your Snapchat, make people go on. You make me want carry you go to Paris, but because me can't carry you go to Paris, me I carry you down a plaza. Make you pick out two blows when you like, come go and vroom funny bike. She said, okay. When me start, how long you want me go? She love me so, say she want come tomorrow. Me say she, well I know.
Cho, come here, Vanzo. Miss Kitty.
No, let me just give Vanzo a standing ovation. I want everybody bust a Miss Kitty Blanc for Vanzo. La 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 la. Consummate performer, authentic talent. You see, I come out to the big Alan Magnus radio. You understand? Me not tell no lie. As God make Moses, you have the authentic talent. You are the genuine article from your melody to your lyrics to the way you entertain and engage. Vanzo, you are the man. And the girl that was straight like KFC fries are Uvex. Sorry. Mad.
Scatter.
No. Miss Kitty give her the thing a while ago, call them young girl in the audience and say, what that thing have on him shoulder? Them don't know say a tape that on the 2 years. Sorry. I love the concept. The man make Tony Braxton sound up in the thing a while ago. Enough people don't know say it's a bad soul song that from the 90s. We lock the place and the man fit in. Yes, you fit in the real way, me done. Lyrics pan point, image pan point, concept and everything. Sell off. Good job, me done. Excellent.